It costs $700 to recycle a solar panel, and it costs $10 to drop it off at the landfill. In this video, I'm going to be taking a close look at disposing of old solar panels. Let's go. I had a customer call me up. They had a broken solar panel. So I take this panel, I load it up on my truck, and I drive out to the landfill. My local landfill says that they do recycling, so I'm gonna see where that takes me. Hey, I have a broken solar panel. Do you want to? Yeah. So give me 1 second. Looks like it's gonna be a no. How many of them do you have? I just have one.
So we do accept them, just $10.
Okay. Okay.
I don't know if we recycle them, but he said it's okay to dump it.
Okay, it's okay to dump it. Hey, they said to ask a supervisor, but I have a broken solar panel.
So I'm just gonna have you back up on the driver's side of this Jeep, back up to the pile and just throw it.
This is like for public use, so I'm just dropping off one solar panel, and they said it was fine. But he's gonna talk to his boss and see what they'd do if I have to drop off like 10 or more panels. And then they gave me a referral for a couple different places.
Good afternoon, Tam.
I have like 20 broken solar panels. I do solar panel repair and maintenance, and I'm trying to find a way to recycle or dispose of solar panels, and it seems like it's kind of tricky.
It is very tricky.
Yeah, so what does that look like? So you guys can't do anything with them?
We don't know what to do with them.
Trying to find some way to possibly recycle them, or I don't even know what to do with them. Seems like it's a problem.
Yeah, we do them at 45 cents a pound. What we do is we ship them from our Utah facility here to California, and then we shred them, and of course it gets smelted and recover the silica, aluminum, and whatever else is in there. Yeah, it's not cheap.
It's not
cheap
wow.
Anywhere. And the problem you're going to run into is you're going to find A, either it's not cheap, or B, they're not doing it.
And this is what happens. The panel is shipped to a company out in California, and they grind the panel down to basically sand. And then that's all piled up into bags, and those bags are going out of the port of San Francisco and going all the way over to Japan. And there is a company in Japan that will take that solar panel sand and melt it down and recycle some of the materials, from the solar panel. From all the research I did, it looks like it costs the consumer, let's say 50 cents per pound to have a bunch of solar panels recycled. I have 3 options. In my area, I can take a solar panel and I can take it to the landfill. That's not acceptable with most areas. A lot of places consider a solar panel hazardous waste, and you have to take it to a specific landfill for hazardous materials. You pay a lot of money to dispose of it. The other option would be to recycle them, and that is actually ground up, melted down, and recycled. And then you have option number 3 is I found another company out of Arizona that actually does refurbishing on solar panels. They'll actually take them, clean them, test them, and see if those solar panels are still good, and they'll actually ship them off to places that can use them. In my opinion, that's the best option. If you have solar panels and they're outdated, or you don't want them on your home, if you can actually still reuse those and give those to somebody who needs electricity. I imagine most of these are going to solar farms or third world countries. So that's the best option there. The problem that I have with recycling is the amount of electricity and fossil fuels involved with shipping and melting and grinding in order to recycle them to make more electronics. I don't know the data on it, to be honest, because it's complicated, but it almost seems like it's a wash. Damn. The biggest takeaway that I have from all of this is trying to change my mindset from, oh, I want the newest and the greatest and the best, putting value and respect on a solar panel system that's been on our roof 10 years or more, 20 years. I wanted to say thank you to Metech and Fabtech. Those are the two companies that I reached out to that actually had answers and had solutions. I'll go ahead and link their websites below, where you can find additional resources on recycling and repairing solar panels. I sincerely appreciate you supporting my channel and watching this video. I hope the content I'm making is entertaining and informative. If it is, please subscribe to my channel, maybe like the video, and then check out the other stuff I have going on.